Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the part of the world that you are at this moment. You're welcome to the Global Trader. I'm sure you've been following us, and for beginners, I'm sure you've been going through the beginners series that we are into. But today, my name is Olusegun Opaleye, and the, the global trader will never ask you for money, neither will they ask you to transfer money to someone. So please be careful in case of anybody that is trying to use the name of this platform to defraud you. So you have to be very, very careful. We've been talking about last week. We talked about the update for the fundamental analysis, what you expect for the week last week, and for those that followed us, you will notice that everything played out as analyzed. And this week also, which is from the 20, which is from 30th to Friday of this month, as to 3rd of this month, will also give you an insight of what is expected. And I want you to know that disclaimer is also applied. Whatever we tell you here is just an advice. Is not that you must take it. It's not a must. It's an advice to enhance your trading decision. So today is Sunday 30th. Before we start, of course, some people don't really know how to set their Forex Factory time. I use Forex Factory for my fundamentals. Why? Because over time it has been proven to be very, very good. We have other news sites that you can use. We have Daily FX. You have a lot of them like that. So you can do that research for yourself, but I use Forex Factory majorly most times. So in case you want to change your time to your time zone to suit your time zone, all you need to do is just to click on the time. You can see where my cursor is here. Is you click your time zone. When you click your time zone, then you change it from here. You look at it here and you change it. Choose whatever is your time zone. Is it GMT, whatever is your time zone. You choose it PM or AM. Then you click save setting. It will automatically save it for you. So you must change the time zone to suit your location. So for tomorrow, for today's Sunday, you can see the whole thing is just hash color, no economy, no economy. So everything is down. So I don't even advise, most times I don't advise for people to trade at the opening of the week. There's no point trading. There's no point. There's enough market. There's no point trading tonight. So from tomorrow, Monday, which starts from night and 12 a.m. tonight, you can see that AUD is weak, is low for currency. And I want you to know something. Whenever you see actual greater than forecast, that means the currency has strength. It is good for the currency. And whenever you see forecast greater than actual, that means the currency is weak. And always note this, always pair a stronger currency against a lower currency, a weaker currency whenever you want to trade. So you need to watch out for a stronger currency and pair it against a weaker currency. I think that will help you very, very well when it comes to fundamental analysis and also analyzing your trade. You can see JP, JPY, Japanese yen is weak, will be weak. Japanese yen, Australian dollar also will be weak. New Zealand dollar will be weak. You can see we don't have a lot of activities for tomorrow. Tomorrow on Monday, all day we have another strong impact news. So I think the buy might continue. So if you are pairing Euro USD, come tomorrow, watch out for buy, watch out for buy. And also GPP, there's not much news. We have low impact news, but by the time you see the actual, you'll be able to know if the currency was good or bad. So, and also on Tuesday, there are a lot of weak what do I call it, there's a lot of no strength. There's a lot of weak activity come Tuesday as well. But Australian dollar has a strength. Let's say AUD here, you can see it has an high impact news is expected. So you wait for that time, and depending on your time zone, then you watch if the actual is greater than the forecast. So in case you are pairing AUD against dollar, that means you're pairing AUD USD, and AUD is stronger, and it shows here that the actual is greater than the forecast. So that means you'll be buying. You continue to buy. And at the same time, most times, if you look at the correlation, go to Forex correlation and Google it, Forex correlation, you will notice that AUD USD, GBP USD, Euro USD always go in a similar direction, about 85 to 95% accurate. So you can take advantage of that as well. Then we can see that all day we have low impact news on most of the currencies. Then we have dollar on Tuesday, USD also. We can see that we are expecting a high impact news as well. High impact news is as expected on Tuesday, so you wait for the actual time. If the actual is greater than the forecast, that means dollar is strong. That means dollar is strong. And if the forecast is weaker than or is lesser than the actual, know that dollar is weak. So if dollar is strong, let's assume you're trading GBP USD and dollar is strong, that means you begin to sell off your dollar. That means it's a sell direction. And if you look at forex correlation as well, AUD USD, Euro USD always go in a similar direction, so you take advantage of that. Thank you. So in case you've not subscribed to this channel, please do that now. Subscribe, press the notification button, and always watch out for news update in the forex market, including training. Thank you. And on Wednesday, we don't have much activity. I can see the euro is weak, Japanese yen is weak, AUD USD is weak. So if the actual is lesser than the previous and the forecast, so that means is the end. That means the currency is not strong enough. But you take advantage of US dollar here, and non-farm, we are expecting non-farm payroll this week. You know, non-farm payroll always happen every first Friday of a new month. Every first Friday of a new month is an unemployment rate in America. So it can either be high or it can either be low. So you will always wait for the news. But we'll be seeing the reaction of the upcoming non-farm payroll from Tuesday, Wednesday. You begin to see it. Now on Wednesday, we have only US dollar that is a little bit strong, that has an high impact news. You wait also to see the outcome of the ADP non-farm unemployment change. So you must wait. You must learn the act of waiting in forex. That's patience, because if you don't have patience in forex, wow, that means you're going to lose a lot. And also on Thursday, New Zealand dollar, AUD, they don't have any strength. There's no strength there. We're expecting a low impact news. So, but we'll wait for the actual time and we see the result. Then we can see Chef. You can see Chef seems to have an high impact news come Thursday, but we must wait for the news. So you must have learned the act of waiting when it comes to forex trading. And by the time you see all these forecasts, that is one signal. Fundamental analysis is one confirmation for you. Then you now go to the technical aspect of it, technical analysis, which is another confirmation for you. Then the sentimental is also another confirmation for you. When you put the tree and the tree is telling you the same thing, so you know that you are on point. Also, on Thursday, we are having a lot of weak activity. If I were you, I would not really trade. I will not really trade, but you can just stay in the market and take opportunity. At least we have one high impact news. We have dollar on Thursday by noon is showing a high impact possibility. So the possibility of the high impact news to unemployment claims, ICM services, so is all they are all preparing for what's the name, for non-farm payroll. So you can take advantage of it, but always wait for the actual time before you swing into any placement of trade. Wait and see the reaction of the market, and whenever it's the news comes out like that, wait a little and know the actual direction, because sometimes you can have a fake signal and it might affect you. Also on Friday, what do we expect on Friday? We expect Canadian dollar to be strong, so high impact news. As you can see, virtually Euro US GBP have a low impact news come Friday, but that is not yet. That's not a decision yet to say okay, to say GPP will be low, weak, or euro, you have to wait for the actual time. Now, if the actual is greater than the forecast, it is good for the currency, and if the actual is lesser than the forecast, it is bad for the currency. So for the non-farm payroll, I advise you, if you're a new person in forex trading, stay off the market. If you're a new person in forex, stay off the market. Why? Because this Friday, the non-farm payroll, you can see unemployment change, it's usually very volatile. The volatility is very high, and you have the tendency to lose your account. But if you're a good trader, you have the tendency to triple your account, or if you have very, very good equity. So I will advise you, on Friday, you can pick a demo account and practice on how to trade demo. If you are a new person in the forex space, please subscribe to this channel and share, invite people. Very soon we'll start a live signal class online here on this same page, where we'll talk about updates and how to trade, or we'll place trades together. So in case you want a mentorship class or a person one-on-one training, you can send a mail to the mail in the description. Always practice. Always practice. Make sure you wake up every day after your prayers, because God is still the author and the finisher of everything. So make sure you check your chat, make sure you check the news. The news will inform you about what is going on around the world, and the news will also sharpen your brain. Then you go to your chat, look at the technical analysis, and you see something great happening for the week. And very soon we'll be doing technical analysis, also updates for gold, GPP USD, and any other pair. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Stay blessed and have a wonderful trading week and more peeps. God bless you.